Hey, what's going on everyone? Some leaks about Samsung Galaxy A72 4G have been surfaced online. So in this video we will talk in brief what we know so far about Samsung Galaxy A72. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sobik, welcome to Phone Politics, let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, we thank you all for your great support. We have finally crossed the 200 subscriber mark. For the new viewers, if you still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming uploads. Samsung Galaxy A72 4G have been reportedly spotted in Google Play console listing, suggesting that the phone may launch soon. The phone has been popping up on various certification websites, but Samsung is yet to share any information on it. The alleged Google Play console listing comes with a few specifications and also shows the design of the Samsung Galaxy A72 4G variant. The image in the listing suggests that the phone may come with a hole punch cutout in the top center of the display. Previous leaks suggest that the Samsung Galaxy A72 may feature a quad rear camera setup. Tipster T Technical shared on Twitter a couple of screenshots of Google Play console listing for the 4G variant of the rumored Samsung Galaxy A72. The specifications present in the listing suggest that the phone will be powered by Snapdragon 720G SoC, Adreno 618 GPU and run on Android 11 out of the box. It is said to come with a Full HD Plus display with 450 ppi pixel density. The variant in the listing has 6GB of RAM. The tweet also has an image of the alleged Samsung Galaxy A72 4G, which shows the phone with a hole punch cutout and slim bezels on three sides with a relatively thick chin. The powers and the volume buttons are located on the right side. Now let's talk about the expected specifications of Samsung Galaxy A72. There have been several leaks in the past that suggest some of the specifications expected from the Galaxy A72. The phone is said to feature a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate. It is expected to have an 8GB RAM with 256GB of storage variant as well. Samsung Galaxy A72 4G could pack a quad rear camera setup that may include a 64MP primary sensor, an 8GB secondary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide angle and a 2MP sensor. On the front there may be a 32MP selfie camera. The phone may be backed by a 5000 mAh battery and could have an in-display fingerprint scanner as well. Now let's talk about the pricing of Samsung Galaxy A72 4G. The 4G model of Samsung Galaxy A72 could have a starting price of 449 euros, which is roughly around 39,400 Indian rupees. But it may be cheaper when it launches in India. While Samsung has not shared a release date for this phone, it is expected to be launched in India in this month. So this is everything we got to know so far about Samsung Galaxy A72. Please let us know your thoughts about this phone in the comment section below. If you really find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Sayonara.